Very good morning dear students. Welcome to all of you to today's class. But before starting the class, let's do Brahmanath. Open your eyes. So listen students, in today's class we are going to read your book 1 and the chapter is The Legend Behind a Legend, written by Hariharan Balakrishnan. But before starting the chapter, let me tell you one thing, that whenever I am teaching you, you just go through your text, go through line by line, so that it would be easy for you to understand the chapter in a better way. Okay, you just go through your text. So dear students, today in this class we are going to read unit 2 of the chapter The Legend Behind a Legend, which is written by Hariharan Balakrishnan. Okay, in the previous class we have discussed unit 1. And what was the theme of unit 1? Before starting unit 2, let us focus on few points of unit 1. In unit 1, I had told you that there was a man named Hariharan Balakrishnan, and he was not a writer by profession, he was a journalist and a columnist. He used to write down for columns. And I also told you that this is an article, it was published in the Hindu on 22nd of January 2006. Understood? You can get it in net also, no problem, you can search it. So here in the first unit, what was the theme? The theme was Hariharan Balakrishnan was present. Suddenly he read a news article in the Statesman, and it was a small article but it contained a big message, and the message was, it described the exploits, the activities of a domesticated tigress named Khairi in the forest of Similpal in Odisha. Okay, so this incident was taking place in our own state, so the writer desired to go there to experience it physically. He wanted to be there, he wanted to see Khairi, and he also wanted to see Saroj Raj Chaudhary, the owner of Khairi, means the foster father of Khairi. So what is mentioned here? Before going to Jashipur, Jashipur is the place where Khairi was living, and it was because of Khairi, Jashipur was very famous, it was internationally famous, it was famous worldwide. And before going to Jashipur, the writer did write a letter to Saroj Raj Chaudhary to seek his permission, because from people, from a senior journalist and a singer and to some elder people, okay, he got the news that Khairi was under the care of a rough and gruff man, a man who doesn't tolerate stupidity in people and a person who doesn't listen unnecessary things. So the writer was little bit afraid in his heart. Either he will be given the chance to meet Khairi or not, but still he did write down a letter to Saroj Raj Chaudhary requesting him to grant him, means requesting him to go there to see Khairi and to meet Saroj Raj Chaudhary. But the writer was not at all expecting a reply from Saroj Raj Chaudhary, because when he had written the letter, he just sent some of his casual writings that he had written for the English newspapers. But surprisingly, he got a letter from Saroj Raj Chaudhary, and it was mentioned how to go to Jashipur. Understood it? And Saroj Raj Chaudhary also wanted to know that on which date the writer is going to pay a visit to Jashipur. And the writer mentioned a particular day and told that on particular night he was going to visit Jashipur. So all these things happened. Now come to unit 2. I packed my bag. Common thing, whenever you are also going outside, you are also packing your bag, girls are also packing their bags, yes or no? You are keeping your things there. So, the writer also, Hariharan Balakrishnan, also packed his bag, took the train, and he just took the train and boarded the overcrowded bus from Bhubaneswar. It means up to Bhubaneswar, he went by train, okay? From Bhubaneswar, he boarded the overcrowded bus. Overcrowded, why it is mentioned? Because the writer has written this one in 70s. Okay, 17s means it is not referring to 1970. 1970 to 79 is known as 70s. So, at that time, few vehicles, means few buses, trucks were available for transportation. So, the buses were unusually crowded. So, the writer also get in to an overcrowded bus from Bhubaneswar. I arrived sometime before 4 am, and when did he reach there? When did he reach in Jasipur? He reached in Jasipur before 4 o'clock or by 4 o'clock. Before 4 am, wondering where to go in that semi-darkness. So, before 4 o'clock the writer did reach there, and he was thinking how to go and where to go, because he had no idea where to go. That is why he was quite surprised. To my utter surprise, where to go in that semi-darkness? Semi-darkness means what? Partial darkness. There was darkness, there was no light, and the writer was thinking where to go and how to go in this darkness, because he came by bus, but the complete route was not known to him. That is why he was unable to decide what to do. To my utter surprise, but the writer was surprised. Within a minute, there was the click. Click means what? Sharp sound. There is the sharp sound. Whenever you are walking by wearing heel, at that time the tick tick sound is also being created. Likewise, a sharp sound was audible to the writer. Within a minute, there was the click of boots and a voice welcoming me to Khairi Jasipur. And there was the sound of boots and a voice was welcoming him, means the writer was there and someone was speaking him, welcome you to Khairi Jasipur. Why Khairi Jasipur is mentioned? Because Jasipur is the place where Khairi was living, and Khairi did make the complete forest worldwide famous. That is why the place name is Khairi Jasipur. Okay, by the name of Khairi, the name is also, the place is also called. So, and there is the sound of the boot, and the man was speaking, welcome you to Khairi Jasipur. Took me to the guest house. The forest guard. And who was the man? The man was a forest guard. Detailed, instructed, appointed. The man was instructed to escort me, to guide me. Who was escorted? Means who was appointed? The forest guard was told to guide the writer. Took me to the guest house. Put me in my room, and what did he do? He just take the writer to the guest house and put in means to place something inside, but here to provide a house to live in. Okay, but put in phrasal form meaning is this one, to place inside. So, the forest guard took the writer to the guest house, gave him a room to stay in there. Assured means to make something sure. Assured that water was in the jug. What do you mean by why did he spoke that water is in the jug? It means everything is ready. Understood now? So, the forest guard told the writer that everything is ready here. I could sleep as long as I wanted, and Saab would see me as soon as I was ready. And what did happen? The forest guard told Saroj Rai Chaudhary that he can sleep as long as he desires, and when he is free, when he is relaxed, when he is not tired, Saab is referring to Saroj Rai Chaudhary. Okay, that forest guard is calling Saroj Rai Chaudhary Saab. We are also calling the sir, madam. Likewise, they are also calling Saab. Saab would meet you as long as you are ready. I think I had an hour of blissful sleep. Here blissful is also referring to deep sleep and joyful sleep, happy sleep, means undisturbed sleep. For 1 hour the writer slept peacefully. I woke up with a start. Suppose you are sleeping. You are sleeping. Sleeping like this. Your mom is coming and calling. Come on, get up, get up, get up. How will you get up? What happened? What happened? You will speak like this or not? So the writer was also woke up with a start. Means surprisingly he got up from his bed. Something must have happened. When I heard the unmistakable voice of the tiger just outside my door. What happened? The writer heard the voice of a tiger outside of the room. Means near the door, he heard the voice of a tiger. Means think, what might be the condition of the writer? Keep yourself in the place of writer. What might be your condition? Understood? So, I was terror struck and I was terribly afraid. Who was afraid? The writer was, the Hariharan Balkrishnan was terribly afraid of it. Within minutes, a bearer came to the room with hot tea and biscuits. And within a minute, a bearer means a waiter came to the room and that man was having hot tea and biscuits with me. He smiled at the expression on my face and the bearer, he didn't laugh, he smiled. When he noticed the expression on the face of the writer, he started smiling because he knew what's the truth, what's the reality. And assured me, and he also gave assurance to the writer that it was only Khari outside the door. And what did the bearer speak? The bearer spoke that, don't worry, don't be afraid of anything, it's only Khari outside the door. Who is speaking? The bearer was speaking. Making friendly inquiries about the new guest in the house. And what was Khari doing? Khari was making friendly inquiries. She wanted to know who is there in the guest house, who is the newcomer, who is the person. Who wanted to know? Khari wanted to know all these things. I finished my tea, had a quick shower and went to the main room, and the writer completed his tea and then had a quick shower. Here shower is referring, shower means what? I have written here to spray with. Here shower means to spray with, shower of water or anything. Shower with, he showered blessing on me. Understood means he spread, means he threw blessing on me. So here shower means take bath with water. Okay, he just had a quick shower and went to the main house. And what was the purpose? The purpose was to meet Saroj Raj Chaudhary and to know more on Khari. Saroj Raj Chaudhary was sitting on a large chair, and what was Saroj Raj Chaudhary doing at that time? Saroj Raj Chaudhary was sitting on a large chair, on a big chair. Saroj Raj Chaudhary was sitting. There was a sloth wait behind him. And who was there? Look, Saroj Raj Chaudhary was sitting like this, big chair. Okay, sloth means lazy, bear. Okay, that mammal. A bear was standing behind him and holding him like this. Understood? Think, you are standing and a bear will come, will hold you, will hug you. What might be your condition? You will start running from the place. But Saroj Raj Chaudhary was sitting and the bear was holding the waist of Saroj Raj Chaudhary, holding onto his waist and making gurgling sound. And what was the bear doing? It was making gurgling sound. Gurgling sound is the sound which is being created by the bears. He said, "Get down, Jambu, get down," and rose to greet me. And he said, the bear was having the name. What's the name? Jambu. Okay, get down, Jambu, get down means alight, Jambu, alight. A frail man in his 50s, once again it is mentioned 50s means Saroj Raj Chaudhary was within 50 to 59 years old. Okay, 50s, 50 to 59 years. And a frail means weak man. Saroj Raj Chaudhary was not a fat man, he was a frail man, weak man in his 50s, slightly balding on the top. Balding means no hair was there. On the top, no hair was there. We got talking. This was the physical appearance of Saroj Raj Chaudhary. He was a frail, he was a weak man and he was in the 50s, and slightly bald on the top. We got talking. Then they were busy in conversation. I didn't find a gruff and rough, no-nonsense man. What I found was one of the most human beings I had ever met in my life. And Saroj Raj Chaudhary and the writer Hariharan Balakrishnan, they were busy in conversation. And what is the writer speaking? The writer is speaking that he didn't find a rough and tough man. He didn't find a gruff man. But what did he find? He did find the most human being. Human being means what? A person who is having kindness towards not only human beings but also towards everything present in the universe. The most human being. So here in the concluding part it is mentioned that what other people were speaking on Saroj Raj Chaudhary was proved wrong when the writer personally did meet him. According to people, he was a gruff, tough man, but he was not like so. He was very simple, he was very kind-hearted. He was having love, sympathy for human beings, for animals. That's why it is mentioned. The writer has mentioned that he saw the most human being I had ever met in my life. Understood? Means he is the most remarkable person, the right human being. The writer has never ever seen a man like him previously. Means the writers, according to writer, Saroj Raj Chaudhary is a real man. He was a real human being because he loves human beings as well as he loves animals. Okay, this is your unit 2. So unit 2 is all about the writer's journey to Jashipur. How did he go there? And how he was confused in the early morning, and how he was being guided by the escort which was being sent, means how he was escorted by the men, by the guard, by the forest guard which was being sent by Saroj Raj Chaudhary, and what was the instruction given by the forest guard. He told him that you should take rest, and then how did the writer get up? By listening the voice of Khari, and how the bearer did comfort him by speaking that don't worry, it's only Khari making friendly inquiries. And finally his meeting with Saroj Raj Chaudhary, which eradicated all the bad impressions that the writer was having in his mind for Saroj Raj Chaudhary, because finally he realized that Saroj Raj Chaudhary is the most human being he has ever met in his life. Okay, understood? This is your unit 2. Any doubt you have, you can ask me. And the most important thing is I have written almost all the word meanings. If you are getting any new words that you don't know, you can ask me. Okay, thank you. Have a nice time.